Hello friends, in this video I will show how to cancel your Grammarly premium subscription. So firstly, sign in your Grammarly premium account, and once you sign in your Grammarly premium account, visit grammarly.com or any web browser. Now here click on account and just click on subscription in this left side panel. Now once you click on subscription, so guys, you need to click on cancel subscription link at the bottom of the page, and after that you need to click on yes continue. Then again you need to click on yes continue. Now this time you need to choose a reason for cancellation and click cancel subscription. As we can see in this GIF, click on this bottom cancel subscription, yes continue, and select any reason. So this way you can cancel your Grammarly premium subscription. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel and comment this video useful for you or not.